you have ever had a bug pop up at 2 a.m. and nobody noticed until the morning, you know exactly why this matters. Let me talk about background process monitoring now, because this one is super powerful for anyone who builds stuff. Hermes can now watch your background processes in real time, watches your logs, spots errors before they blow up, tells you when a server starts, when a build finishes, when something goes wrong. Think of it like having a really smart assistant watching your code run 24/7. You do not have to sit there and babysit it. Hermes does it. This turns Hermes into a proper DevOps assistant, not just a chatbot, not just a helper. Full system that monitors your infrastructure while you sleep. And if you have ever had a bug pop up at 2 a.m. and nobody noticed until the morning, you know exactly why this matters. Here is one that sounds complicated, but is actually super cool. Pluggable context engine. In simple words, you can now control what the AI sees and remembers. You decide what goes into its brain. You can filter it, shape it, customize it. So if you only want Hermes to know about your project and nothing else, you can do that. If you want it to have very specific memory about how you work, you can do that too. This is huge for power users, because now the AI is not generic, it's yours. Think about it like training a new team member. You get to decide exactly what they know, what they focus on, and what they ignore. A level of control is something most AI tools do not give you. Hermes does. Let me talk about something that does not get enough attention. Skill system. Hermes lets you build and save custom skills. These are basically mini automations, little workflows you teach Hermes once, and it remembers forever. You set it up one time, and you just call it whenever you need it. So instead of explaining the same task over and over again to your AI, you just say the skill name and it knows what to do. That is a massive time saver when you are using AI agents all day. And now with backup and restore, those skills are safe. You can move them across devices, share them, rebuild them if something goes wrong. Your setup is protected. Backup and restore. This one is underrated, and I want to make sure you hear it. You can now save your sessions, your memory, and your skills, and restore them on a different device. Clone your AI setup across machines. So if you set up Hermes perfectly on your laptop, you can move that whole setup to your desktop or your phone. Starting over, losing your settings, just move and go. This is the kind of feature that sounds small until the day your computer breaks. And then you are very, very glad it exists.